So recently, 3 months earlier, I interviewed off campus at Densu Global Services, which was hiring for the interns for data analysts. Uh, so while and the questions they asked were all covered by Intellipaat in the sessions. So it made me easy to crack those interview. And yes, I got an internship, and now they are offering me PPO.
After the 2 months, there was a college placement, like the campus placement was there. So this company called Oracle came to our campus, and I applied for them. And I reached the interview rounds. I introduced them everything like A to Z in short. So I actually explained them everything, how it is done, and really the examples which sir like Abhishek gave, it really helped me a lot. And yeah, at the end I got that company.
After completing this course, as a part of my journey, I have completed my internship from EduNet Foundation, where I have deployed a salary prediction model using machine learning algorithms and streaming. Intellipaat is worth something that I have took, so I feel proud also that I've been instructing with a good trainers and all in this industry, and they cleared me all doubts, which are really helping me now also.
I was able to code in Python, and with that thing, I was able to crack 3 companies interviews. One was Infosys, another one was Accenture, and then later another one was Clarivate Analytics.
Before enrolled in Intellipaat, I was like fresher, and after I got like placed in the company Continent. So there is a like achievement for me after enrolling like Intellipaat.
I'm really thankful. Like I've been placed at Coforge as a graduate engineer trainee, and also had joined this company on June 18, 2025. It's almost to be 1 month, and I'm really enjoying at this company.
Intellipaat pretty did a good job in training me for the junior data science roles as of now, which I'm currently pursuing as an intern at Kriti Lab Technologies.
I got the intern because I had all the grasp of knowledge from ML, DL, computer vision, Gen AI, and RAGs. I could learn that from the course, and I could crack the interview and the technical interview here at Agnesha AI Labs.
Multiple skills that Intellipaat provided us helped me a lot, and all were relevant to the industry norm. Currently, I am a data science intern at Sequin. So the core concepts and the topics that has helped me a lot.
I gave the interview and I got the job. So they selected only 3 students from my university, and I'm the only boy who got selected in this company. So it's like Intellipaat was actually the key for me, who just helped me for joining this institute for this company. EPAM. It's like a company for a foreign-based company, Europe-based. My actual role is like Python AI automation testing.
While doing this Intellipaat course in data science and AI, I got a paid internship at Mo Engage, and I'm getting a good stipend. I'm enjoying it, and every day I'm just thanked that because of Intellipaat I got that offer. I'm planning to do so. A MTech course in Intellipaat.
I was a fresher before this course. I thought of deciding to enroll into some data science course, as the field is booming now in these years. So I had so many courses that I could choose on online. So I chose Intellipaat, and it really helped me in getting into data field. So I'm a fresher from fresher to data architect associate in Accenture.